Hello, I'm Aishwarya Poddar. The topic I chose for ECRS symposium was hollow vaginal ring loaded with probiotic lactobacilli for the treatment of bacterial vaginosis. These are the contents of my presentation. This is the graphical abstract of research what I did. I added Lactobacillus acidophilus into vaginal ring and then put the vaginal ring into vaginal cavity, which cured bacterial vaginosis. Bacterial vaginosis is nothing but a common vaginal infection in which the vaginal pH increases from 4.5. The concentration of Lactobacillus acidophilus in healthy vaginal fluid is almost 10 raised to 7 to 10 raised to 8 CFU. But in bacterial vaginosis condition, it decreases till 10 raised to 3 to 10 raised to 4 CFU. That is, bacterial vaginosis is nothing but a vaginal infection where the concentration of aggressive bacteria increases while the defensive bacteria concentration decreases, such as Lactobacillus acidophilus. The aim of my research work was formulation and development of lactobacilli-loaded vaginal ring using biodegradable polymer for the treatment of bacterial vaginosis. The main objective to formulate a vaginal ring was to avoid the use of synthetic antibiotic, to sustain the release, to reduce its side effect, and increase the patient compliance. The need was the available treatment in market is metronidazole, which needed to be taken several doses a day orally. And the problem occurred by common side effects, and it used to be relapsed within 1 month of treatment in 30% of women. So the direct use of probiotic lactobacillus acidophilus will reduce the side effects of antibiotics and maintain vaginal pH 3.5 to 4.5. This is the bacteria profile of lactobacillus acidophilus. It is a gram-positive bacteria, rod-shaped, and the media used was MRS agar, and it is an anaerobic bacteria. The justification for my excipients and polymer is that pectin, PEG 400, HPMC are all biodegradable. It has non-irritating property, and they are biocompatible, while PG400 was also used as plasticizer, and pectin had good ring-forming capability and mucoadhesive property. To check the compatibility of bacteria and excipient, the test performed was antimicrobial study of HPMC pectin PG400 against lactobacilli. Bacteria used was Lactobacillus acidophilus method, couplet method, media, nutrient agar, and it was incubated for 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. It showed no antibacterial activity, so these polymers were selected. The formulation table, these were the several batches we performed. F8 was found to be the best batch. We had a concentration of 2% HPMC, 2% pectin, and 3 ml of PEG400. The method to formulate vaginal ring was initially 2% HPMC and 2% pectin were prepared. Then in a conical flask, almost 20 ml of HPMC was taken along with pectin 4 ml and PEG400 3 ml. They were mixed for at least 1 hour. Then half quantity was poured into Petri plate. The Petri plate was kept into hot air oven for almost 24 hours till the film is formed. This film was then rolled into the mold, and the remaining quantity of the solution was poured to seal the sides of the film. After 24 hours, after drying, the rubber ring was removed to get the vaginal ring. Then Lactobacillus acidophilus was then added into the vaginal ring, and then it was sealed from both the ends. The anaerobic condition for the bacteria was performed by using a candle and a desiccator. The preparation of the Petri plate was kept into the middle of the desiccator, and then the lid was sealed using wax, and a candle was kept into the desiccator. So the combustion of the candle indicated that the oxygen present in the desiccator is over. Thus, anaerobic condition is maintained. This is the composition of SVF, simulate vaginal fluid. Turbidity was measured using nephrometer, and these were the results. Effect of L. acidophilus on E. coli was also checked, so that it showed number of lactobacilli increases, the number of E. coli decreases. Thus, we found that purple color staining was greater than pink staining. This indicated that the Lactobacillus acidophilus had an antibacterial action on E. coli. The diffusion of lactobacilli through ring. The media used was SPF, and the ring was placed into it, while after 1 ml sample was collected every 15 minutes. Then the sample was added to the surface of solidified agar and spread uniformly with the help of spreader. The incubation period. This was the summary where the research provides use of probiotics to insert into hollow vaginal ring having minimal or no side effects, where we increase the quantity of Lactobacillus acidophilus and decrease the quantity of E. coli. The polymers used were HPMC, pectin, PG400, and these were biodegradable polymers, so it degraded itself in the vaginal pH. Thus, it showed no side effects and it gave good patient compliance. The conclusion was that we tried to rebalance the natural microflora of the vagina, and we prepared a biodegradable vaginal ring. It had good antibacterial activity against E. coli, and thus we tried to treat the disease and not treat as an infection, but just rebalance the natural microflora. Acknowledgement: Lactobacillus acidophilus was received from National Collection of Industrial Microorganisms, NCIM, Pune, India. These are the references we used. Thank you.